Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Hopefully, everybody's doing good. Let's crush it. Where's my chat at? There it is. Good morning. Depends on the setup, to be honest. Typically half, but it could be different. Hold on 1 second. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna go over the watch list here in a second. Okay. We are good. Damn, Jadon got like a foot of snow. I got like 6 or 7 inches in Denver. What do you do? All right, so watch this today. That 4-hour time frame setup is still valid on a lot of individuals. So I'm gonna watch it on ES. We're reclaiming that 4-hour 21 EMA. We might have just liquidated some people. Anybody who was long here or here, we broke below it yesterday, reclaimed it very quickly. I actually want to see if we have supply in this area. We do. Okay. So this is the only potential reject that I'm gonna watch. Unless we have a 45. Why are you not switching? Time frame? 45. Okay. Okay. There we go. CC 144. We do have some sellers. This is the only area I'm going to look for a reject. 6144, 6146. But just got to be cautious because the 4-hour looks so bullish on so many individuals. Where is it at? That it might be more so of a scalp. Could we reject this area overall and roll over? Absolutely. It just really depends on the price action. So if I'm looking for a reject anywhere, it's right here, these 2 white lines. But going back to the 4-hour, we're reclaiming that 21 EMA. Same thing on NQ. We're reclaiming it, right? Got above yesterday's high on NQ. What's really bullish to me, and I think that can get the market going, is going to be this NVIDIA, which looks very bullish. So if we get above pre-market highs, I like continuation for NVIDIA. Pre-market highs and yesterday's highs at the same point. Get above there, look for an uptrend entry. 4-hour squeeze, holding the structure. Plus, we're breaking this trend line right here. So above 140.9, I'm looking for continuation on Nvidia. And if that happens, we should get the overall market to go with it as well. Second individual that I really like is Apple. Same thing. We got that 4-hour squeeze. We're still holding above that 4-hour 21 EMA. I'd say above pre-market highs. We can look for a continuation into yesterday's high, which is right here. Then after that, I mean, no telling where it could go. But if Apple and Nvidia are going to push, it's going to take the overall market with it. So we do have to be a little cautious about this supply zone that we're about to dig into for ES. So that is the watch list. And then we have free DraftKings runners. We did a little lotto yesterday on DraftKings that did 100%. So I sold about 75% of my position. Just going to let the rest run today. See if we can get 1,000% out of it. That'd be pretty dope. Oh shit, I needed that. Get rid of Bollinger Bands. Cool. But yeah. That is everything I am watching today. I mean, it depends if there's a Palantir setup. I wouldn't just buy it. Always gotta wait for the setup. Yeah, we got 10 minutes. Real quick, everybody in the YouTube, if you could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. We got 90 of you in here so far and only 10 likes. If you guys want me to continue doing live streams, make sure you guys are, sorry. If you guys want me to continue doing live streams, make sure you're hitting that like button. Oh, I'm tired. What did I do in my chat? There it is. I didn't take trading full time until like, I think 21 is when I took it full time. Could have taken it full time before that. It's just I loved what I did for work. So just kept trading until it literally made no sense for me to even go to work. That was about 4 years in. Woke up at 6:35 today. Gotta watch this out by 6:44. I'd be cranking them watch lists. I'm fast with it. I use Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab. Yeah, let's see the news that we got today. Obviously, we have OPEX. I hate OPEX. But we have PMI, consumer sentiment, and then a Fed speaker at 11:30. Cool. Yeah, so it might be slow the first 30 minutes. We'll see. No, I use Trade of 8 for futures. I was about to look at. Really like to see if we can get 1,000% on DraftKings. That'd be dope. Does NQ have a 1 hour demand? Let's see. It does actually. Potential bounce area. Right there. See if ES has one. ES does not. But yeah, we could watch that NQ bounce. Two 174. I'd like the demand more. Let's get these charts pulled up. It's cold up in here. I got the heat on and everything. Five minutes till open. Looking pretty good. Really like the NVIDIA as well. Make sure you roll your NQs because I'm pretty sure we already invalidated that. Yeah. Like, I don't care about this anymore. We already dug into it too much. You can see that we even broke above the opening of the candle. So to me, it's not even like, yeah, could we reject a little higher, but we already rejected the zones too many times. I actually really like this demand. Four point seven five. 22152.75. All right. Let's get it. 2 minutes. Apple just had a fat misprint. We really gonna hit this zone off the open? Fucking I'm with it. Get the QQQ5. Let's see. 539 calls pulled up. Trading off the open. Let's see. Gotta bounce back up above that 22169. Decent amount of buyers down here. Well, no demand, not valid. Demand invalid. Apple's kind of strong off the open. Let's see this pre-market low. Geez, Jonathan, you gave me a demand that didn't even work out. What's up with that, fool? Come on. Yeah, we're at that ES pre-market low. Making Apple and Nvidia. Oh shit. I had to turn this heat up. It's cold. Okay. Again, keep in mind we do have PMI and something else at 10. So market could be a little slow until then. Okay, so pretty bearish candle to start off. So hoping we could at least try that supply. I think we might have rejected the wick of the 45. Why is it being so stupid? Bro, go to the 45 minute. Keeps doing this. Very close. Why is my computer so laggy too? All right, Nvidia is breaking above the high. Apple, I have no idea what's happening with this Apple price action, but it keeps misprinting. Would like to keep an eye on both on Nvidia and Apple, ideally. We will see what happens at NQ pre-market low. $22,103. Okay, let's 22103. Let's get the 609 calls pulled up. Or sorry. What are we looking at? We're looking at NQ. QQQ. Let's get the 537 calls pulled up. Apple's falling apart. Nvidia's pulling back. We're at that pre-market low. Let's see what happens. We are at 6,100 on SPX as well. Probably likely going to wait for the news to get out of the way. PMI is pretty important. All right, so we just grab the liquidity there. Yeah, we're kind of just getting too close to the news. I like this area, but we have the news, Nvidia's dumping, Apple's dumping, so really nothing's supporting NQ or QQQ trying to bounce this level. Plus, again, we have news literally in 2 minutes, so I would have to exit the position before the news. I'm not trying to hold through, so let's wait and see. You know, if we bounce off this level, maybe we can look for maybe a fib for a potential reject. But yeah, let's wait and see for the news. I like the setup though. It looks really good. There will always be another trade though. If it does rip to the upside, I'll be a little bit upset, but again, not trying to hold through news and see what happens. All right, let's see. Nuke the high day. Sorry, we'll find another. I'd like to see ES pop up higher. We could potentially short it. It should line up like, yeah, the same exact levels. Remember, A+ setups only. If we bounce up into these fibs, I'd be interested. Actually, the 50% lines up with 610. Little psychological level. Oh no. Getting mixed signals between NQ and ES. NVIDIA is still something I'll keep an eye on. Well, we set a new low so that fib is no longer valid. See what happens when we actually touch 6100 on SPX. All right, we just touched it. Breaking below it. Let's see, what are we trading at? 608.70. Watching see how this 5-minute candle closes. Again, we're just getting so close to news. But I like how we're holding 6,100 on SPX and we got the orders here. Might take a little longer for these 4-hour setups to play out. We were watching them yesterday and today. They're just not breaking out yet. They're still intact though. For even QQQ, that one's still valid. QQQ, NQ, Apple, Nvidia. Might just not happen till next week. But yeah, let's wait for this 10 o'clock news to come out. See what the market does. Yeah, again, I don't have a clear read. Plus, it's also OPEX. You guys know that I don't like trading OPEX. So, definitely going to be very, it's going to have to be a really high probability setup for me to take it today. OPEX just sucks ass. So we're breaking this down. We're losing that 6,100. You want some pre-workout? Nah, I was gonna say something sus. Never mind. We ain't gonna say that. Pause. Give you some pre-workout though if you do legs with me. Make you a deal with that one. We're still trying to hold that pre-market low on NQ. Come on. There you go. We keep breaking below it and reclaiming. Wonder if we left demand up there or a supply zone. We did actually. It's about to close. So we should be fine with that one. Bro, why is it such a pain in the ass to get the 45-minute up today? I don't understand. Why is it not doing it? Trader breaks trading setup due to not getting 45 minutes pulled up. Yeah, so we actually have a lot of supply up here. I mean, if we pop back up into 2207 to like 2220, I'd be interested. It's actually a really nice level. Oh, jeez. Are we still holding that? Okay, we're breaking. Right, yesterday's low on ES. Bruh, I don't even know. Just casual dip about what, 60 points off of news and then another 65-point rally off of it. I mean, really, the only thing I see now is because we're at ES yesterday low. That we dug into, picked up the orders off of it. Which the reason we bounced yesterday was a demand zone. So technically, we're bouncing it again. But I don't know. Not really getting a good gauge of overall market sentiment. Hmm. I mean, it's a lot of volume on this candle. I'd say if I'm going to try calls, I would like to see a dip back down close to low of day, and then we can stop out below low of day. But that's like really all I see unless this video starts setting up. So let's see, what time is it? 10:05 New York. Let's get the 6:08 calls pulled up. Only issue is NQ rejecting that pre-market high, or pre-market low, sorry. Still no entry. All right, I'm gonna give this like a light go. We'll stop out right under that low a day. We're not risking that much. Very light go though. See if we can pop up into this 8 EMA. We're already about to hit our 1-to-1 risk to reward. Come on, a little bit more. My computer froze. A little bit more. Okay, we're at the 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'm gonna take a trim right here, and then my stop loss is gonna be at break even on the runners. Well, remainder of the position, I should say. There we go. See if we can get a little bit more. Quick little, what, 20% trade? Again, stop loss is break even. I'll trim more if we get to this 8 EMA up here at like 608.80 on SPY, or like if we get close to it. Again, manage the position how you feel though. Right here is where I want to trim. Not a crazy trade yet, but it has the potential to really start cranking. Come on. A little bit more. There we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and just take another trim up here as we're getting close to this 8 EMA. And let's put our stop. I'm going to put my stop like $5 in profit. Really nice trade, though, so far. About 30%, if I'm doing math correctly in my head. Now, the challenge is going to be getting through this this 8 EMA and VWAP. You guys make some money on that trade, though? Yes, no, maybe. Again, not a crazy trade, but that's where I saw potential. Just two people in the Zoom, even though I said I was watching calls on SPY if we dipped down closer to low a day. And then said I was in. All right, good, good. More people. Good. Just has to get through that 8 EMA. I mean, if it can, we got room, but we have the sellers up here too. Getting close to stopping out. All right, I'm out. I'm out the rest. As long as you guys made some money. But yeah, so the whole reasoning behind that trade was just we had a very high volume 5-minute candle right here. It's a setup that I like to look for. It's just it doesn't present itself often, but like we get a very large exhaustion move to the downside and just like a huge volume spike. What I like to see is that next candle dip down closer to that low a day or high a day, you know, if you're talking vice versa, and then take the position with a stop right on the opposite side. So our risk was like we were literally risking $15 per contract, if that, and they rallied $35. So was that like a 2-hour trade, a little over? But yeah, again, it's OPEX. Plus, it's like it's a good setup. It's just not my definition of an A+++ setup, which is why I didn't go super heavy. So make a little bit of money today. Nothing crazy, but I'll take it. Well, unfortunately, if you're going to watch me trade live on YouTube, the live stream is indeed going to be monetized. So ads are going to be there. Or you can trade live with me in Team Bull where there's no ads. Exactly. Free trades. I can at least monetize it. But there is still potential that this could move up. But I'm not trying to hold this position to see if we break this low a day. Freedom futures, obviously, like, you don't have to worry about the theta and the contracts getting destroyed. So you could probably keep your stop below here. But I'm satisfied. That was a nice trade. Thank you for the subscribe. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna make a protein shake real quick. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. No, I'm not. I'll be back again. Hold on. Okay, I'm actually back this time. Pretty boring day so far. You don't know what I make. You'll be okay, George. You can go to a different live stream if you don't like it. No, we took a nice little 30% trade to the upside. But that is all we have taken. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, here's the link right here. Boom. We can look for swings here in a little bit too. A little base hit, nothing crazy. We are at this previous low a day though on ES. Now my Instagram is Brandon Trades. Yeah, I'll probably give the market till like 8:45. Then go to the gym. Yeah. DraftKings died today though. At least we got our 100%. See if we get anything else in the next 15 minutes or if we're just going to trend down all day because guess that's possible now. Everything on the 4-hour was hinting up, but clearly market don't care. Yeah, it does look like it's just going to trend down today. What I'm seeing. Just waiting. Oh, Trump's talking? See what he's saying. Just Ukraine and Russia. Cody, you here? Just go to the gym, fool. Right now, because I'm getting bored. Bro, yes you can. Go to the gym right now, fool. You act like you can't leave early. I don't know how to ski. Went one time, somehow ended up going backwards, busting my ass. Never again. I'm mentally scarred for life. I got a better answer. No. I'll go tubing. You can push me down the hill, I'll do that. I can ice skate too, just not skiing. Mark's got me for 2 more 5-minute candles. Then I'm leaving. But yeah, I honestly think we're just gonna trend down. Wherever my next level is. I don't even think I have one. Yeah, I don't even have a level. It's like last resort right here. The daily 21 EMA. Plus demand, yeah. Oh no, I might be willing to take spy calls over the weekend for a swing, depending if we hold this daily 21 EMA. Unless we bounce here right before that demand. But we are at the daily 21 EMA, just not really seeing a reason to go long right now. Best of luck, soldier. Trend days are my least favorite too. Oh shit, Cody's short, Matt's long. Who's gonna win? Still? Let me see. Pop right up for me. Try it again. I just clicked on it for it to pop up. Yeah, I saw APLD, but we stopped out of that literally like a month ago. So it doesn't even matter at this point. The setup was so invalidated. Let's see, what should we buy in the long term today? Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for the gym. This is very boring. So yeah. Hopefully, guys made some money off that trade with me again. Nothing crazy. Nice little 30%, but I'll take it for OPEX. Take it for a Friday. Everybody have a blessed day, and let's run it up again next week. Peace out, fam.